Rainy day feedings. There's two over there. They can get out. There's a hole up at the top there. They can climb in and out. And then I left the door open because it's raining today. And then one that went over here. 3 of them. They've been climbing the windows asking for food today, even though there's food all out there. I think all the babies are eating pretty good today, though. Yeah, raining, guys. My little sweethearts. I know. I'm filming you, love. Let's go get a better view over here of these other guys. I always say guys, but it's mostly girls. There's one there. They're learning to share the spaces. I'll have to go in there and soap it down and hose it down after it dries up a little bit because it's messy right now. And then here's the other little girl. Can I see you? Hey, love. Can I see you? Everybody always asks what that play gym right there is for, and it's for them to eat underneath also.